English vocabulary words for herbs and spices from EspressoEnglish.net. Herbs and spices are seasonings, ingredients used to add flavor to food. The difference is that herbs come from the leafy, green part of the plant, and spices come from seeds, roots, bark, fruit, or vegetables. Today you'll learn some vocabulary words for herbs and spices with pictures. Try to repeat the words to practice your pronunciation. Basil, cilantro, coriander, parsley, dill, rosemary, oregano, bay leaves, cumin, chili pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, saffron. To learn more vocabulary, check out the Vocabulary Builder course at EspressoEnglish.net. It uses lots of pictures to help you increase your vocabulary and improve your fluency. Visit EspressoEnglish.net, click on Courses, and look for the Vocabulary Builder to see the lesson list and a free sample.